To my channel. So today I am going to be filming a Valentine's inspired look. The plan is to keep it really soft and light. I couldn't find exactly the bright shade of pink that I wanted, so I'm going to play with something a bit more intense and try and pull it off a bit lighter. So we'll see how we go on that front. It may turn out a bit more dramatic than I'm hoping, but we'll see how we go. So I've already done my base and powder and like my eyebrows so that we're ready just to go straight into the fun stuff: eyeshadow, bronzer, blush, highlight, all that jazz. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm going to put some powder just underneath and around my eyes, so if I get any fallout, it won't matter. We don't want the fallout wrecking the base that I've done underneath. No. Alrighty, so once that's packed on, for my first color today, I'm going to be taking my Morphe 35B palette. Now this is a color I'm not too sure about. It's this bright fuchsia pink right here. So I needed a pretty intense pink, but that one's like borderline too intense. So I'm just going to mix it with a slightly tamer one. I really want to make sure that there's not too much on my brush. And then I'm just starting to pack that onto the outer corner and crease of the eye. I'm just packing it, so just pressing. Now this video is sort of inspired by Kaylee MUA's video where she did a similar kind of look. I will leave her channel link down below. She is amazing. Love her videos. So I'm just kind of turning the packing motion into little circular motions just to blend it out. Cool, and just do the same thing on the other eye. Been smashing out the filming recently. Filming heaps and heaps of videos. I'm actually like starting to run out of ideas, but trying to keep them coming. So I've got heaps for when I go back to uni. I'll have heaps ready to go, so it won't matter if I can't film as much. I'm doing heaps of client tutorials, got heaps of them lined up, so hope you guys enjoy them because there's plenty coming your way. So once I've got that base color set down, I'm just going to blend it out with a transition. So I'm going into the Douce by Juvia's Place palette. I love this palette. I'm just going to take that really soft pink up in the corner. And I'm just putting that one on my Dodo Lashes EB13 blending brush. And I'm just going to buff out all of the edges so that everything's really nice and soft and transitions really nicely. Once I've got that laid down, I'm going to go in and just create a bit of shading with a brown just through the crease and the outer corner. So I'm just going to take the Crepes color from the Douce palette and load that onto the same brush as I used originally. I don't know if I mentioned, it's the Inglot 48SS, which I love. This is probably my favorite brush at the moment. And then going in with that Dodo Lashes EB13 again, and just working really light circular motions to buff it out. Alrighty, and now I'm just going to take those colours onto the underneath of my eye. So I'm just taking the bright pink first, and again just on that Inglot 48SS brush. And just working that along the lash line. And then I'm just taking my favourite lash line brush, which is the 230 Luxe pencil brush from Zoeva. And I'm just taking the colour, the pinky colour from the Douce palette, and just working that right in there and creating this depth. Once that's done, I'm going to take the darkest brown up here from the Douce palette and run that along my bottom lash line. This is kind of going to act as my eyeliner on my bottom lash line for my eye. And then again, just taking that pencil brush and using that to just blend it all together. Once we've got that done, I'm going to put the feature color onto the lid. So going into the Juice palette, and I'm just gonna take this color here called Puffs. So it's a nice shimmery pink color. And I'm just gonna grab a flat shader brush to apply that one. So I'm obviously not doing a cut crease because I'm not laying down a base and I'm not making it super dramatic. Still want it to be quite soft and, you know, daytime worthy. But when I apply the shadow, I'm still doing that shape and creating a nice sharp line at the top, just because it helps shape your eyes and make them look nice and rounded. And it keeps everything, you know, in control, so everything has a place. So that's kind of what we're dealing with at the moment. I'm just going to apply some of this one's an exciting part. I have the Stila Sunset Cove Magnificent Metals, and it is so pretty. I'll do a swatch for you. So that's it on my hand there. It's got like pinky and blue reflex. Oh, it's just so amazing. So I'm gonna take some of that on my brush, and I'm just gonna try and apply that on top, just sparsely, so that it's got a little bit more of a kick to it. That's that done. So I have lash extensions, so I'm not going to be applying falsies today. I'm just going to kind of brush out my lash extensions so that they look a bit nicer. It gets out any of that eyeshadow that may have fallen into them. Alright, and then on my waterline, I'm just going to be putting a nude pencil just to open up my eyes. It makes them look, you know, I want to look really doe-eyed and lovey. So that just opens them up a little bit more. So basically, yeah, a cream pencil will open up your eyes and a dark pencil like a black or a brown will close them in. For my brow bone highlight today, I'm going to be using the MAC Vanilla Pigment. So I'm just focusing that on the very high, like, you know, arched part of my brow. And just to the bottom lash line as well, I'm going to be applying a little bit of that Magnificent Metal. And I'm just going to use a nice little detailing brush. And of course, I've just got to go back and just brush off all of that powder that we put underneath to catch the fallout, and that'll just clean everything up. So I'm just going to bronze up with the Give Me Sun bronzer. So I'm just applying that to my cheeks. So I kind of apply it roughly underneath where your cheekbone is. And then I just take it up onto the forehead and into that hairline. Kind of buff it in there and then bring it back down the other side and then underneath. Once I've done that, I'm just going to use the Warm Salt blush from MAC. So it's a beautiful soft blush and it's so nice for like depth, that nice like rosy glow. And then for highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty highlighters in Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. So it's just the duo and they are a really nice pinky colour. So I'm just mixing the two together and just starting on the highest points of my cheek and working it upwards. And I just apply a little light dusting onto the forehead and down the ridge of the nose and onto my Cupid's bow. For lips today, I'm going to be using the Soar lip liner from MAC, which is a nice rosy colour. And I'm just applying that onto my lips, I guess, lining them out. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to be using the Cosmo lipstick from MAC. This is a brand new one. I took in some Back to MAC products the other day. I had to pick one out and I was like trying to find a colour that was different to what I already have. So this is like a rosy brown. It's always some shade of nude that I'm buying. And on top, I want my lips to be really juicy and glossy, so I'm going to apply the Mecca Cosmetica Nude Lip Luscious Lip Protector. And then to finish off, I'm just going to spritz my face with the MAC Fix Plus. Alrighty, and that is the completed look. It's a really nice, soft pink Valentine's Day look. Really glowy as always. I think that glowy suits everything. Yes, it does. It always pays to look healthy and radiant. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have an amazing Valentine's Day if you have someone special in your life. And I will see you next time. Thanks so much, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. And yeah, I'll see you next time. I always repeat myself like twice with the see you next times because I forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.